National Park, located in the northeastern state of Arunachal Pradesh, India, is one of the country's largest and most biodiverse protected areas. Spanning over 1,985 square kilometers, it is situated in the eastern Himalayan range near the Myanmar border. The park is renowned for its diverse ecosystems, ranging from tropical rainforests at lower elevations to alpine meadows at higher altitudes, and is home to a wide variety of flora and fauna. Notable species include the rare and elusive the clouded leopard and the red panda. Additionally, the park is rich in bird life, with over 500 species recorded. Namdapha's significance extends beyond its natural beauty, as it also plays a vital role in conserving the unique biodiversity of the region. Deban Forest Camp is around 160 kilometers from Dibrugarh Airport. Our plan was to explore Namdhapha National Park and to find a newly discovered wren-babbler from India at Vijanagar. At Namdhapha, we found several good species such as Tawny Fish Owl, Oriental Hobby, Spot-throated Babbler, Grey-chinned Minivet, Rufous-faced Warbler, Striated Yuhina, Grey-cheeked Warbler, Black Stork, Eyebrowed Wren-Babbler, Grey-headed Parrotbill, Oriental Hobby, Snowy-throated Babbler, White-hooded Babbler, White-tailed Flycatcher, Yellow-bellied Fantail, Ashy-headed green Pigeon, Austen's brown hornbill, Golden-crested Myna, Oriental cuckooshrike, Pied falconate, Slaty-backed Forktail, White-crowned Forktail, and many more species. The next day we have to travel to Vijanagar, which is approx 110 kilometers. The journey from Deban Forest Camp to Vijanagar, nestled deep in the heart of Arunachal Pradesh, is a captivating and demanding adventure. The path is rugged, often steep, with the terrain varying between thick, tropical forests, rocky slopes, and occasional river crossings. As you make your way through this untouched wilderness, you may encounter a rich array of wildlife. The travel offers breathtaking views of the towering mountains and valleys, with each turn revealing a new, mesmerizing vista. The trek from Deban to Vijanagar is a true test of endurance, but also an unforgettable experience for those seeking an immersion into the pristine natural beauty of Arunachal Pradesh. The very next day we have to travel to Deer Camp, an 8 kilometers hike through the rugged terrain of Mugafi Hill in Arunachal Pradesh, a thrilling adventure for nature lovers and trekkers. The trail winds through dense forests, with towering trees and vibrant undergrowth that showcase the region's rich biodiversity. As we ascend the steep slopes of Mugafi Hill, the air grows fresher and the sounds of distant wildlife fill the surroundings, offering a tranquil yet exhilarating experience. The hike requires stamina as the trail can be challenging, with uneven paths and occasional rocky outcrops. However, the effort is well worth it, as the panoramic views of the surrounding mountains and valleys unfold with every step. Deer Camp, nestled amidst the hills, provides a serene resting point, offering trekkers a chance to soak in the pristine beauty of the landscape, spot wildlife, and feel the peaceful rhythm of nature. The journey to Deer Camp is not just a physical challenge, but a deep immersion into the natural splendor of Arunachal Pradesh. Our target here to find a newly discovered wren-babbler here. The Lisu wren-babbler. The Lisu wren-babbler is a small and elusive bird species endemic to the dense forests of the eastern Himalayas, including parts of Arunachal Pradesh in India. Characterized by its striking plumage, the Lisu wren-babbler has a dark brown body with a distinctive white ring around its eyes, giving it a unique appearance. It is a relatively secretive bird, often found in the underbrush of montane forests, where it moves swiftly through the dense foliage, making it difficult to spot. Known for its high-pitched calls and active foraging behavior, the Lisu Wren-Babbler primarily feeds on insects, small invertebrates, and seeds found in the forest floor. Due to its limited distribution and the fact that it resides in remote and often inaccessible areas, the species remains relatively understudied, though it is considered of interest to bird watchers and conservationists alike. The bird's conservation status remains a concern as its habitat faces threats from deforestation and climate change, highlighting the importance of preserving the pristine ecosystems of the eastern Himalayas. We also found Wreathed Hornbill, Chestnut-headed Tesia, Scaly-breasted Cupwing, Yellow-throated Fulvetta, beautiful Nuthatch, Prinia, red-headed Trogon. After resting for the day, the next day we descended back to Vijanagar and then to Deban Forest Camp. On the way back, we got out another mega lifer of the trip as BLYTH's Kingfisher. In conclusion, bird watching at Namdhapha National Park and Vijanagar offers an unforgettable journey into one of the most biodiverse regions in India. The serene, undisturbed landscapes of Namdhapha and Vijanagar provide the perfect backdrop for birders to witness these majestic creatures in their natural habitats. Whether you are a seasoned bird watcher or a novice enthusiast, the rich avian diversity and pristine surroundings make this region a must-visit destination for anyone seeking a deeper connection with nature. With the opportunity to spot over 147 bird species, the experience not only highlights the importance of preserving such rare ecosystems, but also leaves a lasting impression of the incredible variety of life that thrives within these remote corners of Arunachal Pradesh. Thank you for watching. For more video, please feel free to like and subscribe.